Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your iPhone and Apple Watch are paired and updated. Once paired, open the Watch app on your iPhone and go to Face Gallery. Tap a face similar to what you want, because customizing an existing face is faster than building from scratch. Then choose complications and colors as a baseline. This first action gives you a live preview on the right side. Use it to decide which elements to keep and which you will replace with custom assets. Next, create or import the assets you'll use. You'll want properly sized images, crop on your iPhone to the watch pixel dimensions, or use smart stack faces. This ensures clarity. Once done, assign complications by tapping each slot and selecting the app or function you want. Make sure to pick complications that update frequently if you need live info. Also, use the photo's face or create a shortcut to change images dynamically. This gives you flexibility and keeps your custom face responsive to real use. Finally, save and sync the face to your watch by tapping Add. Choose whether to set it as your current face. Check each complication on the watch itself to confirm data updates and animation behavior. If you notice icons missing or stale data, restart both devices first, then reassign the complication from the watch app. Make sure the supplying app is allowed in background app refresh. If problems persist, delete the face and recreate it with simpler assets to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.